Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the 7,844 dollars level. We are currently ranked at 225 with a market cap of about $262 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $12.48 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right, so for YFI, as you can see, we are up a whopping 2% on the day, starting the week on a very good note. And without further ado, let us push to the chart. Right, so we're on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is steady to source, right? And so for YFI right here, we have been tracking YFI for a long time, right? Throughout September, October, we have been seeing this sort of boring price action right here of consolidation. And basically in 1 month, we saw this sort of massive push to the upside right here for YFI of about 225%, right? We saw this massive retracement and we are still seeing another massive consolidation right here, right? And this consolidation is very good as we are about to see this sort of massive breakout right here for YFI, which will bring YFI into that $9,600 level. If we basically bring up the EMAs right here gives us a very good picture of what is happening. As you can see, our EMAs turned bullish right here, our trending EMAs. The moment we turned bullish on our trending EMAs, that was when we saw that massive push right here from 5,000 into that $15,000 level, right? And currently, as you can see, our EMAs has just turned bullish. As you can see, we have just flipped bullish, expecting this sort of massive push to the upside. We are above all the EMAs. Our trending EMA just flipped bullish, so we are expecting some sort of massive impulsive push. Just looking at the volume profile is also bullish, right? So right here we are still seeing massive buy volumes coming in right here, and the moment we continue to see massive buy volumes, momentum also is in favor of the bulls. Expect sort of more higher price targets right here for YFI going forward, as YFI continues to remain bullish, and we are expecting that sort of massive push to the upside. So YFI continues to remain bullish. We are meeting all our targets right here, or all our criteria for remaining bullish right here. As you can see, we EMAs have flipped bullish, expecting this sort of massive push into that $9,600 level. That could see YFI push up another, let's see how many, this could be another push of about 23% to the upside right here for YFI on the channel, right? So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, and we would be giving you daily updates as regards YFI. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.